Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. Look at her new dress. Again. Look at her new dress. Your turn to read, children. Look at her big doll. Again. Look at her big doll. Your turn to read, children. Look at her pink shoes. Again. Look at her pink shoes. Your turn to read, children. Look at her red ribbon. Again. Look at her red ribbon. Your turn to read, children. Look at her long hair. Again. Look at her long hair. Your turn to read, children. Look at her white cat. Again. Look at her white cat. Your turn to read, children. Look at his blue shoes. Again. Look at his blue shoes. Your turn to read, children. Look at his green shirt. Again. Look at his green shirt. Your turn to read, children. Look at his 3 books. Again, Look at his 3 books. Your turn to read, children. Look at his new bag. Again. Look at his new bag. Your turn to read, children. Look at his big dog. Again. Look at his big dog. Your turn to read, children. Look at his red ball. Again. Look at his red ball. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. Are you ready? Let's start. Look at her new dress. Look at her big doll. Look at her pink shoes. Look at her red ribbon. Look at her long hair. Look at her white cat. Look at his blue shoes. Look at his green shirt. Look at his 3 books. Look at his new bag. Look at his big dog. Look at his red ball. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lessons.